哇，個街名都好長啊，唔知有冇 short form 嘅咧？唔知咩嚟，入去睇下先。好，咁我哋開箱一下杜拜嘅酒店。咁點解會無啦啦住杜拜嘅酒店？因為轉機啊！佢就有一間酒店簡簡單單俾我住半日，係啦。呢個就係洗手間啦，不過都好簡單。跟住就係兩張床，擺行李嘅地方，書台，空間感好大。sofa 冇乜景可言啦，但係就有個泳池喺出面。參加咗一個2小時嘅 tour， 咁啊喺酒店度報名，睇下會去咗邊先。咁啊俾大家睇一睇杜拜嘅街景，我都係第一次睇。全車得我一個亞洲人，大家都係因為喺杜拜轉機啦，或者班機 delay 咗，所以參加呢一個 day tour， 望一望出面杜拜究竟會係咩樣。
On our left side, 828 meter in height, 150 meter in height, 54 stories, that's the 5-star hotel. Keep watching on our left side, that's circular shape building on our left side, that's Dubai's latest attraction, the Museum of the Future. Just watch our left side, keep watching. And this museum is considered as one of the most beautiful building in the world. Watch over left side over there, you can see a hand sign. It's like this. That's a W. Over here, that's a W. And that for win. If we hold like this, that's the V, that's for victory. And if we hold like this, that's the L, that's for love. So win, victory, and love. So that's the meaning of this sign.
高樓大廈都好似香港嘅中環一樣。好，第一站咧先嚟咗呢個清真寺啊！咁呢個清真寺咧都真係幾新淨，咁成個城市俾我感覺真係超曬白、超新，但係好似啲人咧就冇乜感情嘅，同我啱啱如果去完埃及咧嗰個感覺係好大對比。咁當然呢度嘅導遊好好啦，即係我一個人啊嘛，咁佢又會幫我影相啊之類咁樣。咁啊睇下仲有冇其他行程先。1986年興建，2011年重建。導遊話呢度已經係民生區啦，咁啊有唔同嘅商店，俾我感覺咧呢度嘅 land use 係好有城市規劃，啲路又寬，啲嘢又乾淨企理，即係好似一個未來城市咁樣。咁我頭先見到有一啲物理治療啦、整指甲、髮型屋，咁亦都有一啲賣香料啊、治療嘅。
The busiest time for tourism is here at the winter time. Here we have 7 months summer and 5 months winter.
呢度有7個月夏天，5個月係冬天。上年夏天係50度。我聽到話要去入一間 gallery， 唔知咩嚟，入去睇下先。帶你買嘢啊，應該。去咗一間整地氈嘅鋪頭啦，咁啊懶係 fine nice， 咁啊然後 sell 下大家買下嘢咁樣。咁呢一條路好新喎，咁似係一啲唔同嘅鋪頭都會喺度咁樣啦。咁啊跟住有啲人啊有興趣，但係大部分人你睇下，都係翻架旅遊巴度。 導遊話好多外國人都喺呢條街度租鋪頭做生意。
1972. During that time, ruler of Abu Dhabi, the capital, Sheikh Zayed, he became the first president of United Arab Emirates.
呢個真係豬仔團嚟嘅，2個鐘頭之內去晒啲景點打下卡。咁啊，前面應該係有個好勁嘅景點啊，同大家一齊睇下先。咁啊，沿途都有好多5星級嘅酒店啊。
But with Arabic architecture design, over 150 shops, including cafes and restaurants.
哇，個街名都好長啊，唔知有冇 short form 嘅咧？
And this arc around the island.
我哋而家就喺個 palm tree 嘅中間，呢度啲樓真係好新淨。哇！呢個 energy solution， 成個城市都係人定勝天嘅證據。好多呢啲地盤啊！啱啱睇完 Google， 發現呢個波斯灣嚟嘅。Oh my god！ 波斯灣對面嘅酒店 Atlantis Hotel， 後來發現呢一帶都可能係詐騙園區。
一旦進了園區，逃出的概率幾乎為零。
我哋今次旅程嘅團友，咁啊頭先咧就講話嗰啲地氈嗰啲刺繡嗰間鋪頭，咁我哋成團就入咗去，跟住個負責人一問就問我哋啊，你哋嚟自邊個國家㗎咁樣？咁啊得我一個亞洲人，咁其餘咧英國最多，跟住有澳洲、印度都有，然後就挪威係啦，咁所以係乜人都有啊，都開咗眼界，都有傾下偈我哋其實。人造沙灘，好多人工嘅建設。
And both sides of the road, these are IT companies like Microsoft, Google, Cisco, HP, Tata, and TCS.
呢度主要就係 IT 部，有 Microsoft。呢條路係最大嘅，有成6-7條行車路線。好，呢一個位咧就係杜拜嘅 shopping mall 啦。咁啊，導遊哥哥話喺度擺低我哋，然後你哋就自己返酒店啦。咁我哋全車人都冇諗住要落去。最高嘅大廈，哇！好高！見到有 Hermes， 咁呢一度主要就係 shopping mall。其實杜拜咧真係好啱呢啲咁嘅轉機嘅 trip 啊，即係可能你2個鐘、3至4個鐘，咁嚟呢度望一望、睇一睇咁樣。咁但係其實你話特色咧就真係冇乜，因為感覺到成個城市都好冷漠啊，大家都好似咧揾快錢為主啦。咁亦都上網睇，即係話如果你喺呢度咧連續2個月都揾唔到工咧，其實係要你走噶咯喎。咁所以個競爭都相當之大。但係的而且確啲嘢係超新嘅咯。但係你話人民風情啊嗰啲，即係短短呢個時間我就唔係好睇得到，而且好感覺到呢度個建築基建啊，或者係一啲規劃咧係想人定勝天啊！好，今次呢個快閃杜拜之旅就嚟到呢一度啦，有啲頹啊，都係跟酒店下面嗰啲 city tour，但係都夠我咧大開眼界啊！咁啊，下次再見啦〜